Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest tech reviews and amazing deals. Today I've got something really special for you, the Smartwatch i8 Pro Max. This sleek and stylish smartwatch is not just your regular fitness tracker, it's a whole new level of innovation in wearable technology. Let's start with the design. The i8 Pro Max comes in 3 classic colors, black, white, and pink, with a 1.8-inch HD IPS screen and a 2.5D curved full-touch display. It's not just a pretty face though. Under the hood, it's powered by an MTK 2502 CPU and 256 MB memory, with a 220-300 mAh lithium-ion battery that gives you longer usage on a single charge. And the best part? It's compatible with both Android and iOS, so no matter what phone you have, this smartwatch has got you covered. But what really sets the i8 Pro Max apart are the amazing features it offers. From heart rate monitoring to blood pressure and blood oxygen detection, sleep tracking, step counting, and even sports modes like running, climbing, and football, this smartwatch does it all. And that's not all. You can make and answer calls, receive notifications from your favorite apps, control your phone's music player and camera, and even customize the watch face with your own photos. And the best part? It's not just a cool gadget, it's a lifestyle companion that reminds you to stay active with sedentary reminders, weather updates, and even an alarm and calculator. So why wait? Take your fitness and lifestyle to the next level with the Smartwatch i8 Pro Max. And the best part? You can get your hands on it right now. Just check the link in the description to order yours today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews and deals. See you in the next video.